Hello, this tutorial is designed for my Thesis II students who should be working on their narratives and may run into some issues with page numbering. I'm using, as an example for this tutorial, my promotion and tenure application, which I sent in not too long ago, and I think it will have some of the same similarities to your thesis, so hopefully this will help you out. Now here's the problem some of you may be experiencing. Page numbering. You may have something like a title page. In this case, I have a cover form, then a table of contents, and then your actual narrative will start. And when you go to page number, which is insert, all the way over to page number, and I like to put mine on the bottom right, you run into this. Okay, your page numbering starts on the cover letter. And that includes the table of contents, and you actually want page 1 to be the first page of your narrative. So, which in your case is the abstract, but in my case here is the introduction. So I'm going to show you how we can get around that problem. Let's get rid of this. I'm going to go back and remove all the page numbers. There we are. So we have a clean slate. Now here's the issue. What you want to do is you want to break this up into sections. So Microsoft Word will read different sections, and then that way you can customize the page numbering for each section. So what we're going to do is we're going to break it up into two sections, the cover form and the table of contents. And then the other section is going to be this introduction. So I want this to be one section to break up. So I'm going to put the cursor and click. So you have the little blinking cursor here right in front of introduction, which means this will be the start of my new section. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm going to go over here to layout. And you see we get a new ribbon, and right below layout it says breaks. Click on that to bring up the drop-down menu, and click on next page. Now I've broken it up into two sections. You can see in this document it's created a separate blank page. That's not an issue. I just click somewhere in the middle, hit backspace a few times, and we're back to normal. You will find with any kind of customization of page numbering, or just page numbering in general, there'll be little hiccups in formatting, which are usually pretty easy to fix. That's just part of the deal. They're easy to fix, and you can get rid of them pretty quickly. Okay, I have broken this up into two sections. So let's try this again. Insert, page number, bottom of page. Whoop, got that again. That's okay. Close footer and header, back that up, no problem. But you see, even though I broke it up into sections, it's still showing as pagination of one document. So let's get rid of this. The reason that is because even though they are sections, they are still linked together. So unless we tell Word otherwise, it's going to page them all as one section until we unlink them. So that's the next step. So we're going to go back to introduction. Click on introduction right there, get the blinking cursor. You should still be on insert. Go all the way over to footer. Click to bring down that drop down menu again. Edit footer. There you go. And what you're going to do is you're going to see this right here, link to previous, has a gray highlight. Click on that. So what you're doing now is breaking the link. So I'm going to close the header and footer again, so that way now it won't do that. It'll, it doesn't go 1, 2, 3 automatically. Now you have to do page numbers for each section, which is great. However, it's still going to show up as page 3 until we do one last step, and that's insert all the way over to page number. Format page numbers. It says continuous from previous section, so that means it will count as page 3 unless we say no, start at 1. Okay, now this should work. Page number. Bottom of page. Look at that. And there we go. Close header and footer. And you see the page number is now starting where we want. So that's one way. Different sections allow you to control and customize the page number. Now let's do one last thing. Let's customize it even a little further. I'm going to scroll up. If you look at my table of contents here, and this is perfectly natural. You can do it as one section, or you can do it. You can do all the page number sequentially from 1 to 30 or what have you. But what I did here is I broke it up into sections, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, etc. If you want to do that, that's pretty simple. Go down to the section you want to change, double click on the page number, and that will bring up the footer editor one more time. And then what I'm going to do, you see a gray highlight on the 1. I'm just going to type in a capital I-1, close header and footer. And that does is that transfers to all the footers in this section, which you see gives me 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, etc. It doesn't matter. This is just here to control the page number. You could put anything in there. If I just wanted to, I don't know why I say gardenias for some reason. Oops, put an S there. Close footer, and that's what will show up. As long as the page number will not be changed, but you can put anything in front of it to customize. So I hope this helps a little bit. Good luck with your page numbering and good luck with your thesis. Bye.